From somewhere. If there isn't matches, steal them from the next pile. Alright, I see smoke coming down there. Looks like Dawn's got a little smoke going. Let's see what's going on here. And Keith has a bit of smoke. Russ has got a tiger torch there, it looks like. A little bit of smoke going. Now they need about 240 to 250 degrees to get this thing to burn. Somebody's having trouble with their matches there. Let's see if we can have another. Oh, now we got fire. There we go. There goes the hair on the legs. Yep, gone.
Finally got it to light.
Oh, look at that. Oh, nice fire going there, Russ. That looks kind of... Dawn, about that donkey you brought out? Dawn? Okay, ties the donkey to his leg. This could be fun to watch. Somebody chase that donkey away. How you doing there, Russ? Looks like quite a bit of fire. Whoa, look at the fire that Joni has going. Hello, Red Russ. Whoa, there are some fires out there that don't just smell like firewood. Okay, you gotta put your fire out. You can't leave the bush there, Smokey. Yeah. Oh, sorry, Don. Have some smoke. That really looks like that fire's out. I thought you were gonna have your ponytail. No, that looks a little crumbly to me. And do you know how many mules have been branded with a frying pan brand, ladies and gentlemen? Let's get a new brand. Okay, Russ Shandro bringing to us the shattered remnants. No, he's on the other side of you, Russ. Oh, look at this! They got a race! Oh, by a head! Here, Dad, take a look at this. It's a big brand.
Let's see, Ross. Pretty nice.
I lost half.
It would be a